One of the most important questions a new course author can ask themselves is, who is my new course for? Before you start course building, you need to nail down your course's audience. This will determine the overall look, feel, and composition of your e-learning course. For example, a course you're marketing to corporate clientele from Fortune 100 companies is going to look markedly different from a dog training course for families with small children. Yes, we've made both, and everything in between. Ask yourself in-depth questions about your learners. What work do they do? What is their age range? What part of the world do they live in? What do they experience on their day-to-day? The answers to all of these questions can and will impact the end result of your hard work. Click below for full access to how to create an online course masterclass and get all of your audience-based questions answered today.